Constraint sketcher, constraint circle size. Let's start replacing a circle. With automatic create constraints on, let's place another circle. And you can see that these now have, if I can show my constraints, a same size radius constraint. Let me delete these. Let's go for my arc tool. So by choosing the same size constraint, with this as the target and this as the anchor, as you can see, we have a same size arc. Undo, undo. However, if I put a dimension on this arc, it's slightly different. If I choose this now, this is the target and this is the anchor, everything works out as expected. But if I go the other way around and I try to use this as the target, because it's got this radius constraint onto it, if I use this as the target and this as the anchor, when I do this, just note how the cursor graphic changes. See, it's actually gone to now, it's actually swapped them around, and that's because of the radius constraint. It won't allow a change. So, same as you can see. Okay, let's delete these. Let's have a simple rectangle. I'm just going to fix everything in one go. I'm going to put some corners on here. Let's say 5. 5. Now, despite all those radii being the same, and despite having create automatic constraints on, these corners are not actually constrained. So you'll have to use this tool for them all to act as one. So let's have this target set to this, target to this, target to this. And now as one change, they all change. Let's have a dimension. 6. If I wish to delete a singular same size curve constraint, select the curve. From the drop-down menu, I can cycle through the particular constraints on that object and just select. Notice when you hover, you get this very nice graphic as to exactly what the connection, what the constraint is, and then just select for deletion. For greater visual clarity, we can always not show the grid, and we can turn the colored graphics back to black. Then by any selection of a feature, let's go to first of all to this point connection. This will display just that point. Again, if you wanted to delete it, you would just select. If I now select the curve itself, I've got other options here. Again, it will show up nicely the tangencies, the same size curves, and the point constraints. So just select to delete.